Hey y'all, it's me, Naturally TC. Y'all see me with my puff. I'm rocking rough and stuff with my afro puff. I just wanted to bring you this updo style that I did on this young lady that I thought was so super cute. Her mom bought me a picture. I should have dropped a picture in here so y'all could see what I had to mimic. Like I'm the copy queen. You bring me a picture, I guarantee you I can do it. Yeah. So what I did was I strand twisted the top of her hair, and then I used the flexi rods to add a curl. As you can see, I'm checking to see if the hair is completely dry. Sometimes it's really hard to tell if you, depending on like the product you use. If you use a moisturizer and then you put them under the dryer, it's gonna take a little bit longer for it to dry. And I didn't use a moisturizer, but I did use a leave-in conditioner, so I think that's why it was a little bit damp. So I probably overdid it on a leave-in conditioner. But I used our Main Life coconut foam that we have here at Main Life Studio. You can check us out at mainlifestudio.com. Mainlifestudio.com. I work with the master stylist, and yeah, it's her product. It's a really good product, so I like to use it. Now the other two strands, I just put leave-in conditioner and a little bit of twisting cream. As you know, I use Camille Rose twisting butter cream, whatever it's called. Yep, that. I love it. It leaves the hair nice and moist, and you get that texture. You see, when you undo your twist, you get that texture. So what I'm going to do is put a little twist on the side. I'm going to add some embellishments later, and I'm going to pull her hair up into a nice bun. I am so mad at this video, y'all, because I really didn't know my angle was bad when I recorded this. I really apologize, because I wanted y'all to get to see this real good. And I don't really like having my back to y'all like that, but you know how it is. So I'm strand twisting the hair. I think I have a video on how to, not strand, what do you call it? It's flat twist. It's just a strand twist, but it's flat. So what you do is you just continue to pick up the hair as you go, just like you would if you were doing a strand twist, like that is not attached to the scalp. And this one, you just attach it to the scalp. So, and there you get it. I got a strand twist. I'm gonna finish twisting this up, and then I want y'all to see how I do this ponytail, because I did not, hold on. So with the ponytail, what I'm going to do, of course, I am using rubber bands. Yes. I just let my clients know they take a razor, snap it off, and you don't even have to do much of anything. Because you don't want to try to pull, like undo the rubber band to take it out the hair, because that is going to be a mess. But if you just snip it, even a nice pair of sharp scissors you can use. But yeah, so I am putting her hair up in a ponytail, and as you see, I'm not taking it all at one time. I'm layering her ponytail, because I don't want to be trying to put all that hair up in one ponytail. And plus the layered look makes it, I don't know, it just looks flatter with the natural hair. And I wanted to keep her textured. I didn't want it to look like her hair was relaxed. So I wanted her sides of her hair to have still that texture from the strand twist. So I made sure that when I was putting the ponytail up, that I am not like making it super straight. But of course, these edges gotta lay down. Y'all know we gotta lay down our edges. Now these edges, they have to lay down. But other than that, I am just going to nicely place the hair back into the ponytail so I can create a bun. So yeah. I'm actually watching a video like I'm watching a video like I didn't do this. Look at my hair, y'all. This is a good 4C. 4C joint. It takes me about 3 days to get my hair done, because I'm gonna wash it one day, condition it, detangle it, and then twist it, and then I'm gonna leave that twist in for about 1 day, twist out another day, then I'm back to square one. It's terrible. I have an issue with hairstyles for myself. Like, it just be too much. But listen, I'm gonna let y'all watch the rest of this. It's not I don't have like anything that's super crazy about it. Oh, y'all see the use that got to be spray? Because she was taking pictures. It was for a special occasion, and if you know our Florida weather, if she goes outside, that hair will swell, and I did not want that hair to move, so I did use a little bit of got to be spray on the sides to lay it back, but you will still see that she has that texture, because I am not making it super straight. I just am allowing it to still look natural, because that's what we do. I need an edge. Hey, see how they be letting me be in the shop? Like, all these people with edges in the shop, nobody ain't say, Tori, let me edge the back of your hair. Nobody says a thing. That's why. Oh, if y'all know a salon that's hiring, let me know. Put it in the comments. I'm willing to travel or move. Oh, look. Y'all see how this bun look? It's so cute. I gathered all the hair and put a rubber band on the end. And now I'm going to pin it up. Oh, that's gorgeous. I love this hairstyle. It's so cute. And then I wrap that 2-strand around it. You better go, Tori. Yeah. Oh, look, watch y'all. Bam. 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 One more. Bam. See? Nicely embellished. And just these 2 strands that we did up top, we just took them down and twisted them and nicely placed them. So this is the finished look. She's so super cute. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I am Naturally TC, doing it for the team. Thank y'all.